Hello guys, it's TuketheDuke here, and I'm just going to do a quick startup in the early morning colds. So it's about 8 degrees now. It's not too much. I've ridden in colder, but just see how she does. There you go. I'll pop her into neutral just because I have one hand right now. So that's second gear, and then pop it down. There we go, neutral. The ignition is there. Focus. Come on. And there we go. And once I get back from school, I'll do a sound check after the engine's warmed up properly. So see you guys again. It's me here. So I just came back from school. It turned out to be quite a sunny day actually. So now the engine's nice and warmed up. There we go. So we'll pop her into neutral again. That's second. That should be neutral, hopefully. And then start her up. Here we go. So that's the basic sound it makes with the stuck exhaust. Yeah. That's about it. So far I've done like, oh, there we go. I've done, let's see, 5,000 kilometers this summer, so quite a lot of kilometers. No bigger complaints. I've done longer trips as well, like 300 k's, one single run. And the seat, yeah, the seat's very comfortable. Just on the top of my head that I have any things to say, so yeah. Yeah, no bigger complaints. Everything's good. Thanks for watching.